How to find your lost Oculus Quest 2. So if you've lost your Oculus Quest 2, then here are some steps to help you locate it. First of all you can do is open the Meta Quest app to find it. Open the Meta Quest app on your phone and go to the devices and check if your Quest 2 is still connected and online. If online, try casting it to or adjusting the volume to see if you hear a sound. After that, just check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. You can go ahead and click the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to check if your Quest 2 was recently used. You can check your phone's Bluetooth devices list to see if it's still nearby. You can use your Wi-Fi router settings to check if your Quest 2 is connected. Next, you need to use a loud sound to locate if you think that it's close. Use the Meta Quest app to increase the volume up, or play media if you have a VR game with sound. Launch it from the app to make noise. Next, check recent locations. Think about where you last used it and some of the places, including under furniture and bags or on shelves. If you recently traveled, then you can also check your bags or rooms where you placed it. If it's stolen or lost outside, then change the Meta account password immediately from the App Store and report it to Meta support with your device serial number, or you can just email support and then send the support. You can go with contact customer support and then just simply scroll down and then go with account login and passwords and make sure that you've logged into your account and select the issue that is related to you and then send a request, and it might fix your problem. That's how you can find your lost Oculus Quest 2, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.